Okay, so this is how you would generate a calendar schedule to send to your teachers straight from Office 365. If you're on the cloud version of Outlook with Office 365, you would open up your email and basically generate a new email. Once you generate a new email, if you haven't already added on some of the Microsoft extensions, then you would go to Add-ins, and you're looking for Boomerang. Once you click on Boomerang, it would give you several options, and I'm going to select the Share option. And Share Availability. Click on the drop-down list, and you can select which dates you want to use. I want to use next week. And I'm going to adjust my start and end time. I'm just going to say from 8 to 4 for right now. And click Insert into Email. With this option, you can also view your schedule as well before you generate your calendar. And this is the view of what it looks like when someone receives it. The times that you are busy or have meetings will become grayed out. In my case, it's green because of my theme version and theme colors. And then the open time spots are left in white. So basically, I would just generate an email. I'm just going to send it to myself. And I usually have a blanketed generic email that I send to a specific grade level or set of teachers. I ask them to reply back with the specific date and time that would work for them. And once they reply back, I create the event for them. I'm just going to open that up for you so you can see what it looks like when you receive it on your end. And this is what it looks like for here. Now I'm going to show you how to generate an email with your calendar, your schedule, and availability if you're using the desktop version of your Outlook. In this case, you're going to want to look at the bottom and look at your options down here. You have Mail, Calendar, People, Task. I'm going to click on Calendar. Once it flips over to that view, I'm going to Email Calendar. And it will allow me to choose from the multiple calendars that you already have, and then the date range. I always customize the date range, and in this case I'm just going to go out by a week. That way it's not overwhelming to teachers, and I can guarantee that we have a selected time frame to choose from. You can set your working hours from here. I've already set that on my desktop version. You have some other choices here in which you can allow teachers to see the full details of your calendar. I give that to my principal, my admin, but otherwise when I email to teachers my calendar, they don't want to see all that other junk, so they just want to see when my availability is. So I'm going to hit OK, and it's creating a link, and it's embedded into my email. So the teachers do not have to, once they open up their email, they don't have to open up another link that will take them elsewhere. Everything they need is within the body of the email. With the highlighted dates that are bold and underlined, it has a key. And then basically, if they're interested, they would just maybe click. It allows them to click. But I do ask them to just reply specifically a day and time that works for them. Again, I send out a very blanketed generic email asking them to reply back with a date or time that works for them. If one doesn't work, then I choose one for them. And I just generate it and send it. Once they reply back to me, then I will create the calendar event for them, their appointment to put on their calendar. And I'll go ahead and open that up so you can see what it looks like. And this is on their end.